Hey, it's the Kempo of PubClub.com. And you know, a great part of the Southern California lifestyle is these little, what they call Duffy boats. They're electric boats and they're all over Newport Beach. It's one of the great lifestyle things about living here in Southern California, and particularly here to Newport Beach. They are to where I live in Hermosa Beach. We use bicycles. Here in Newport Beach, they use these Duffys to get around and to get to places, and kind of a social aspect of Newport Beach. And as you can see here, we've already had a little group. We've had food, champagne on board. People take these around in the daytime, and it's a great thing that they do here in Newport Beach. And I always thought you had to be some cool person or know somebody to get on one of these. But as it turns out, you can actually rent these. And keep watching this video and I'll tell you how you can rent one of these Duffys for yourself and have food, champagne, wine, whatever you like, and spend a great day on the shore here in Newport Beach. And as you can see though, time to go ashore because we're out of champagne. So we're going to go up here to a great place for food and drink, the Lighthouse Bayview Cafe in Newport Beach. The Kempo of PubClub.com, relaxing on a Duffy, California style in Newport Beach.
But the bigger point is that, you know, the charge.
Oh, yeah.
So if it's your own, I mean, like in this case, we wouldn't be able to charge. But if it's your own, we can run it.
Electric Duffy ride.
And we also
Newport Beach,
rent
California.
Duffys there.
California living.
That's really cool. It's a little bigger than beer and wine.
Yes.
Added beer and wine.
Yeah.
In the beginning, maybe.
Oh.
It's just, well, I wouldn't be able to drink.
Well, I told you could come here for the Duffy boats and eat and drink well. I'm doing that for certainly. And you know that they'll actually deliver this food to you. It's the only restaurant in Newport Beach to your Duffy boat, but I've learned it's not a Duffy boat, it's an electric boat. So here at the Lighthouse Bayview Cafe, you can eat and drink. They have great wine too. What am I going to have? It's the Pub Club choice of life.
On like Sunday.